Imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra $100 in your bank account. No job application. No interviews. No boss. Just ChatGPT working for you. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the twist. I actually asked ChatGPT one simple question. Make me money as fast as possible, and the results? Wild. What if I told you it gave me multiple income ideas in seconds? And one of them actually worked, generating money faster than I thought possible. You're about to see exactly how it happened. The tools I used. The prompts I typed. And the money I made. Watch closely, because you could copy this step by step. And if you do, you'll see results starting today. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. CTA, let's jump straight in. The journey starts with one single ChatGPT prompt and ends with cash in the account. Here's how. So here's how it started. I opened ChatGPT. I typed one line. Give me the fastest way to make money online right now, and instantly, ideas started pouring in. Side hustles. Freelancing. Reselling. Digital tools. But I wanted something fast. Something that didn't need weeks of setup. Something I could do today. ChatGPT gave me a short list. I'll break it down for you. First, selling digital products. Templates. Guides. Even simple PDFs. No shipping. No inventory. Pure profit. ChatGPT even helped me create them. In minutes. Next, freelance gigs. Like writing product descriptions. Making simple logos. Or setting up social media bios. Guess what? ChatGPT can write these for you. All you do is copy, paste, deliver, and get paid. I'll show you the exact prompts I use. But here's the trick, it's not about which idea you pick. It's about speed, execution, taking action right now. Because most people watch videos like this and never try. But if you do, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. CTA, because I share new AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. And click the bell button. Now let's get specific. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT for 5 money-making methods. Step 2. Tell it to rank them by speed. Step 3. Pick the easiest. Step 4. Ask ChatGPT to write everything for you. Example. I asked for a digital guide. ChatGPT wrote the content. Designed the outline. Even suggested a title. I uploaded it online. And boom, first sale. That was real money. Within hours. Did it make me rich? Not yet. But the point is, speed. Proof. Possibility. And that's what matters. Because once you see it works, you can scale. You can repeat. You can multiply. Let me show you another. Freelance gigs. I went on Fiverr. I looked at what people pay for. I saw product descriptions selling for $20 each. Guess what? ChatGPT can write 10 of those in 10 minutes. Do the math. That's $200 for work ChatGPT basically did. And you're just the middleman. Setting it up. Delivering results. Getting paid. No advanced skills required. No huge investment. Just knowing the right prompts. And taking action. But here's the question. Which one actually made me money fastest? Selling a product? Or freelancing gigs? Stick with me, because I'll reveal the exact tool at the end. The one that made me $100. And how you can copy it today. Another method ChatGPT suggested? Reselling digital services. Example: social media captions. People pay for them. ChatGPT writes them instantly. You just package them. Send them. Profit. Then it gave me affiliate marketing tricks. Like using free AI tools to create content, and then linking to products that pay commission. It's simple. It's scalable. And it works. But remember, the fastest way is always the one you start with. Don't overthink. Don't wait. Pick one. Try it. Because the longer you wait, the less likely you'll ever start. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit subscribe. CTA, I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. Let's talk bonus tricks. Trick 1. Use ChatGPT with Canva. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva makes it look professional. Sell it as a digital product. Trick 2. Use ChatGPT with Etsy. Yes, Etsy. People buy digital downloads all day long. Journals. Planners. Templates. ChatGPT writes them. You upload. You profit. Trick 3. Use ChatGPT with Gumroad. Same thing, instant shop. Zero inventory. All digital. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Trick 4. Use ChatGPT for YouTube scripts. Then turn those scripts into shorts. Shorts get views. Views bring ads. Ads bring money. And the cycle repeats. Trick 5. Offer ChatGPT as a done-for-you service. Businesses don't care about the tool. They care about results. You deliver results using AI. They pay you. That's leverage. And that's power. So which one did I try first? Digital guides. Why? Because it was fast. Zero cost. And pure proof of concept. I asked ChatGPT to write a short ebook. It gave me a full draft. I polished it up. Uploaded it to Gumroad. And waited. Within 24 hours, sale. Just like that. That's $100 in real money. From text ChatGPT generated in minutes. And that's the power right there. It's not hype. It's not theory. It's execution. And proof that this works. So now it's your turn. Will you watch and move on? Or will you try? Because the method is here. The tools are free. The opportunity is wide open. All that's missing is action. Remember, start small. Pick one idea. Test it today. And scale later. That's how I turned AI text into $100. And you can too. But here's the crazy part. Tomorrow's upload? It's even bigger. Because I found a way to turn ChatGPT into a full business. Not just side money. Not just small sales. But a real system. Something you can scale. Something you can automate. Something that grows while you sleep. And that might change everything for you. So don't miss it. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. CTA, make sure you're subscribed. And click the bell button, so you don't miss it. Because the AI gold rush is happening now. And if you're not using it, you're being left behind. So subscribe today. And stay ahead of the curve. Because opportunities like this don't last forever. The early adopters win. And the rest? Watch from the sidelines. Which one will you be? The player? Or the spectator? The decision is yours. But the tools are here. So start today.